Lua is a lightweight yet fast high-level programming language which was created in 1993 by a group of developers in Brazil. It is easier to learn than Python, however it is counted as one of the most underrated programming languages. Lua was originally designed as a language for extending software applications to meet the increasing demand of customization at the time. As Lua was intended to be a general embedded extension language, the designers of Lua focused on improving its speed, portability, and ease of use. Lua is commonly described as a multi-paradigm language, providing a small set of general features that can be extended to fit different problems. Lua allows programmers to implement namespaces, classes, and other related features using its single data table implementation. You can get started by creating a hello world program in Lua. A comment starts with a double hyphen. You can use the if-else statements with the then and end keywords to control the flow of your program. You can also create an infinite loop by using the while, do, and end keywords. The repeat loop is similar to the do-while loop, and Lua also supports the numeric and generic for loop. You can create a custom function too with the help of the function keyword. This was Lua in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, do comment down your ideas and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.